Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook these easy stir-fried vegetables. This dish is vegetarian friendly and very delicious. Hope you will like it. So now let's start. We first need to crack 3 eggs. Mix well. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Pour the egg into the pan. Stir fry until the egg is cooked. Take the egg out from the pan. Now we need to prepare the vegetables. We need to cut some scallions, mince some garlic, cut some cabbage. Also shred some carrots. Clean the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the scallions and garlic into the pan first. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Then add the cabbage and carrot. Stir fry until the vegetables become soft. Now add 1 spoon of soy sauce, a little bit of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and stir fry. Put the egg back into the pan. Stir fry again for a short time. Turn off the fire and it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys in the next episode.